Imagine flying across the vast canyons of Mars, reaching places no rover could ever go. Now, what if I told you that NASA is developing a new helicopter, one far more powerful than Ingenuity? This drone won't just fly, it will explore, scan for ice, and even help pave the way for human missions. Stay with me until the end of this video, and you'll see why this could change the future of space exploration forever. And if you love space and cutting-edge technology, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss our next discoveries. NASA's Ingenuity was a game-changer, the first aircraft to take flight on another planet. Originally designed for just 5 test flights, it defied expectations, completing an incredible 72 missions across the Martian surface. But despite its success, Ingenuity has limitations. It relies on the Perseverance rover for communication, can only carry a small payload, and struggles in the extreme landscapes of Mars. That's where the Nighthawk comes in. This next-generation helicopter is being designed to go beyond Ingenuity's capabilities, exploring deep canyons, glaciers, and rugged terrain where no rover can travel. At the heart of this mission lies Noctis Labyrinthus, one of the most mysterious and challenging landscapes on Mars. Nicknamed the Labyrinth of the Night, this region is a maze of deep valleys, towering cliffs, and shifting sand dunes. Rovers like Perseverance struggle in such extreme terrain, but Nighthawk is built for the challenge. Flying above these obstacles, it will scan for signs of ancient water, study Mars's geological history, and help identify potential landing sites for future human missions. This isn't just another drone. It's a key to unlocking Mars' greatest secrets. To bring Nighthawk to life, NASA is pushing the boundaries of aerial exploration. Unlike Ingenuity, which is lightweight and dependent on a rover, Nighthawk will be a fully autonomous aircraft, capable of carrying scientific instruments and operating independently. It will fly at altitudes of over 100 meters, far higher than Ingenuity, allowing it to navigate the complex terrain of Noctis Labyrinthus. Equipped with advanced cameras, infrared sensors, and even a neutron detector to search for water, this drone will provide critical data that no previous mission could collect. With these upgrades, Nighthawk isn't just an evolution, it's a revolution in how we explore Mars. The implications of this mission go far beyond just mapping Martian terrain. By detecting water deposits, Nighthawk could help answer one of the biggest questions in space exploration. Did Mars ever support life? If hidden glaciers or underground ice are found, it would not only reshape our understanding of the planet's past, but also pave the way for future human missions. Water is a crucial resource, not just for drinking, but for producing oxygen and fuel, making long-term exploration on Mars more viable. This mission isn't just about discovery, it's about preparing for the future of space exploration. While the excitement around Nighthawk is undeniable, challenges remain. Flying in Mars' thin atmosphere requires cutting-edge propulsion technology, and operating autonomously in such a harsh environment demands advanced AI. Funding is another hurdle. Space missions are expensive, and every dollar must be justified. But with the potential to revolutionize exploration and lay the groundwork for human settlement, Nighthawk could be one of NASA's most valuable investments yet. The question now isn't just whether we can do it, but how soon we'll see this groundbreaking helicopter take flight. As we look ahead, the Nighthawk mission represents a bold step into the future of space exploration. It's not just about exploring Mars, it's about preparing for humanity's next giant leap. With its ability to access unreachable terrain and uncover hidden resources, Nighthawk could be the key to unlocking Mars's secrets and making a permanent human presence there a reality. As this mission progresses, we'll be one step closer to transforming Mars from a distant dream into a new home for humankind. If you enjoyed this deep dive into space exploration, make sure to hit the like button and share this video with fellow space enthusiasts. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest updates on everything from Mars missions to future space technologies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.